Hi there, I'm Michelle the Painter. Today you're going to be watching a time-lapse version of my painting, Cell Phone Tree. This is part of the exclusive series that I have available for my Patreon members, whereby you guys get to watch the fast sped-up version of the video, and I have available for all of my Patreon members the full-length version of the tutorial. So if you're interested in watching the full-length version of this one, or many others that are available to them, or learning more about the Patreon membership program, because there's a bunch of additional benefits that you can use that will help to increase your artistic and your painting skills. I have all of that information down below in the video description. So I hope you enjoy. And that's going to conclude this painting. I hope you enjoyed the process. I hope you painted yourself a cool, painting that people are going to talk about. And I look forward to painting with you Patreons again sometime.